Looking for a lightweight enclosure that still keeps your M.2 SSD running cool? The 1806 might be exactly what you're looking for. This enclosure supports transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second, delivering a smooth and responsive experience. High-resolution video editing, large photo projects, or even games that rely on fast storage all run comfortably here. It handles demanding tasks without breaking a sweat and keeps up with your workflow with ease. Installing an SSD is quick and straightforward. Just slide out the inner tray, insert your SSD into the slot, and secure it with the included clip. That's all it takes. A thermal pad is also included in the box. If you're using a high-performance SSD that tends to heat up under heavy load, simply place the thermal pad on the labeled side of the SSD before closing the enclosure. This helps improve heat dissipation and keeps performance stable. The 1806 comes with a clear LED status indicator, so you always know what your drive is doing. When the SSD is first detected or actively transferring data, the LED starts blinking to show read and write activity. Once the drive is connected and standing by, the light stays solid, letting you know everything is connected properly and ready to use. The included cable comes with a USB-A to USB Type-C adapter, making it easy to connect to all kinds of devices. Newer notebooks or older desktop computers both work just fine, so you can plug in and get started without worrying about compatibility. When it comes to drive support, this enclosure works with most M.2 NVMe SSD on the market. Smaller 2230 drives and the more common 2280 size both fit without any trouble. On the software side, it supports major operating systems like Windows and Mac OS, and it also works with iPad OS. This wide compatibility makes it easy to access and move your data across different devices wherever you're working. With USB 3.2 Gen 2 speeds, support for multiple SSD lengths, and a housing designed for better heat dissipation, this enclosure checks all the right boxes. Installation is completely tool-free, making setup quick and easy. If you're looking for a portable way to manage your files, want fast transfers, a lightweight design, and solid thermal performance, this enclosure is built exactly for that.